So today I will be explaining to you how to calculate FIFO. FIFO is a method used to calculate inventory using the perpetual or the periodic inventory method. FIFO basically means first in and first out, which is saying that all the stock a company gets, for instance, goes out first to the clients as well. They do not sell their latest stock first. When calculating FIFO, there are two steps, which is the cost of sales and the closing inventory. I will now be explaining to you in a simple way how we can get the totals of calculating FIFO. So we have sales over there, which is 1,000. So we need to find out how did we get that 1,000. We use the opening balance, which gave us 700, and we multiply it by the price, which is 750, and then we scratch it out because we've used that, and then we calculate the next, which is 300, also at 750, and we calculate that, which will give us, we'll say 700 times 750 on the calculator, which will give us 5,250. 300 times 750 give us 2,250. Get a total, which will be 5,250 plus 2,250, which will give us 7,500. That will be our first sale purchase, which we will scratch out over there. The next sale purchase was 100, which is number 2, which is 100. How did we get that 100? We got 30 at 750, scratch it out. Then we have 300. We need to use that, which will only need 70 to make up the total 100. We'll say 70 at 8 rand, and we'll put 230 over there. We'll calculate that, 30 at 750, which will give us 225, 70 at 8 rand, which will give us 560. We'll calculate that, which will give us 785. We'll then add them up together, which will give us the total of 8285. That will calculate our cost of sales. To calculate closing inventory, we will need to use the total that is left over in the table, which is the 230 at 8 rand, and plus the 50 at 8 rand 50, which will give us the totals, which will be 230 times 8 rand, which will give us 1840, and then the 50 times 8 rand 50, which will give us 425. We then say 840 plus 425, which will give us 2265. That will be our total for closing inventory. This is how we calculate FIFO using the periodic or the perpetual method, because you calculate it using the same calculation. So just remember that whatever you get in first, you send out first, and when calculating the cost of sales, you use the sale purchases to get the amounts, and the closing inventory is the leftover amounts in the table. Thank you very much for watching my video demonstrating to you how to calculate FIFO.